Starting from today, we're gonna start making these YouTube videos. Now, I'm not the type to always do what I gotta do, but I always try to get it done. Now, this right here is one of my many projects that I had. We're gonna do a quick little walk around. Oh. I know y'all wanna see these builds, cause I be seeing the builds myself all over YouTube. I quite don't got no, what's it called? No qualified camera or any other equipment. And I definitely don't know how to edit. Don't call me dumb now. I do know how to edit, but we gonna do no editing. All on the record. Oh my God, who did that? I know y'all see that rust buildup. That wasn't there when I bought it. I got all the parts ready too. Stay tuned. We're gonna get this baby right.